Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video I'm going to be walking you around this absolutely stunning Bentley Bentayga that we've transformed with loads of extras. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. In terms of solutions that we've added on to this particular vehicle, we've gone for a Thinkware U1000 front and rear dash camera. So it's a 4K dash camera solution that is all controllable via your phone, via a little app called Thinkware Cloud. Also, we've installed a little battery, so not only is this vehicle now protected while driving down the road, it's also protected when the vehicle is parked. You get up to around about 14 to 16 hours worth of recording off a full charge of the battery, and there is zero draw on your vehicle's battery as well. So when you park up in Waitrose, your vehicle is protected. Whenever you park up, you know that peace of mind, your car's protected, as well as the fact when you're on the road, you've got evidence to counter any incident that you may have. Hopefully you don't, but it's there as a precautionary measure. So you've got a front dash camera, which is the brain. You've got the rear dash camera, which is really discreetly installed. Physical cable run going from the battery up until the dash cam to power it. And then from the front dash camera, physical cable lead running throughout all the way to the back of the vehicle for your rear dash camera. So a really nice solution for that. So if you're interested in adding a dash camera, you know where to come. We worked on this brand new 2020 model Bentley Bentayga. We know our way around it, so you know your car is in safe hands here with us in Cambridge. In terms of the other extras that we've gone into, we've also added in a product called Blu Eye. Blu Eye is a very, very popular product for us. Basically what that product is an emergency service warning device. It lets you know by an audible tone as well as a visual alert for any approaching emergency service vehicle. So there's a little display that we mount. We can also do custom mirror mounted solutions, so feel free to get in touch and we'll go through all of that with you. Basically there's a T30 custom antenna to ourselves with us, and that's installed into the front right hand side of the vehicle. So that picks up all emergency service vehicles marked and unmarked. Then we've got the Road Angel Pure, which is out on the dashboard at the moment. And this is actually all this kit that we've actually installed, bar the dash cam, was actually taken out of the customer's previous Bentayga and now moved into this vehicle. So your investment in terms of the product can be moved from car to car exactly how like this customer's done. So Road Angel Pure is basically a fixed dash camera detector, and that's on the dashboard there. And then we've also got a product called Laser Track Flare, which is an automatic gate opening system. Basically it's a new number plate surround that we've added onto the vehicle, and then what that allows it to do is as you approach your gate, it automatically opens. So again, a really nice discreet solution, loads of extras added onto the vehicle. If you're interested in getting one of these or all of these added to your Bentley Bentayga, you know exactly where to come. Best thing you guys can do, hit that subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with future videos. Other than that guys, we look forward to seeing you soon.